Gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome. We are here in Tampa, Florida. How do you guys feel?
It's really good.
You're about to make history. Well done. You're about to make history.
Yeah.
This is Chief Obidike Ajuluchuku of NigerianTVOnline.com. Here in Tampa, Florida, preparing to interview three of the most critical people who are here in this convention. World Igbo Convention 2008. Mr. Chairman, good morning, sir.
Morning, John.
Could you please identify who you are and the people that are sitting next to you and the role that they play?
You're welcome, John. My name is High Chief Titus Swami. I'm the chairman of the Electoral Commission 2008. And on my left, the returning officer, Prince Dr. Ukede Ago. And on my right, the secretary of the commission, Chief Dr. Stanley Lonnie.
You are here to conduct the 2008 election for the new executive board or executive committee of World Igbo Congress. How are you going to do that? One, that's the first question. Two, what led to you being where you are now? What happened to the last chairman or group of the Election Commission? Mr. Chairman.
Maybe my colleagues will give you answer to that. But what led me to this office is I was appointed, maybe due to my experience while in New Jersey. I'm a member of the state of New Jersey Board of Elections, and I'm a certified member. Also, I have lots of experience working with the military, state of New Jersey, defense and logistics. I'm an open-minded fellow. I have come here to help the WIC board to conduct this election very impartial. What is more at stake is the future of the Igbo man, the future of our elders, the future of our women, and the future of our youth. I'm here to ensure that the best candidate wins this election. My commission is independent and impartial. And my committee, we have worked very hard within a short space of time given to us to produce the election which we are going to deliver.
Do you have all the equipment that you need to conduct this election fair?
Yes, we have it.
And you're ready to give Ndi Igbo worldwide a fair election?
Our election is going to be very transparent. We are going to conduct it in accordance with the present state of the art technology.
I would like to ask a member of the commission a question, but the appointment that you received, that this commission received, is it a ratified appointment? Was it ratified by the board?
Yes, my appointment was ratified by the board. I read the resolution. There was a board meeting where they appointed me and elected me, and eventually the other chairman was removed.
Okay, sir. Please respond to this. How did you become a member of this commission?
Well, generally speaking, somebody has to recommend you to become a member of this commission, and then the board will vote to see whether you are qualified to be a member of the board.
What's the qualification?
But you have to be transparent and an unbiased opinion, neutral to whatever it is. I'm not a member of the board, so I have no interest in any of these things they are running. So I was elected to now make sure that this thing is transparent and according to the constitution of the organization. And that's what we are following in the letter.
Mr. Secretary, you're the ones who are going to have the hands-on in terms of all the materials to conduct this election. Do you have all your materials ready, and how did you become a member of this commission?
Yes, I became a member of the commission through recommendation of my own affiliate, managing member of Washington, D.C. The organization recommended me to the WIC executive. Then the WIC executive, after careful consideration and review of both my qualification, personal character, experience more specifically, they recommended me to the board. And in the meeting that the board had, they voted, they cast the actual votes, and I got nominated. So the constitutional provisions were satisfied.
So the constitutional provision was applied in your appointment, in all three of your appointments.
Absolutely.
Now, what happened to the exited chairman and his group?
From all observations, we understand that the executive and the legal advisor of WIC were having serious problems with the way he was conducting the affairs of the commission. I.e., he was perceived as not being very transparent, and from all indications, from what we were really meant to understand, they recommended that the board remove him, and in a teleconference meeting, from what we understood and the minutes we posted, the board also deliberated and then found his actions unwanted. In essence, they figured that the constitution of WIC was not properly being applied, and that the chairman had the potential of abusing it, in other words, making the commission not to be transparent in his endeavor. So what the board then did was to, after careful consideration, as we understood, they reviewed all circumstances, they interviewed several people, they saw several writings, and including legal advice from the legal advisor, the board voted to remove him and replace him with the current
Mr. Chairman, just to, as a matter of information, it is my understanding that the past chairman of the Election Commission has another group and will be conducting an election with the other group. Is that a possibility? Can he do that?
Well, he is here on his own. He can conduct whatever he wants to conduct. But as we are concerned, here today, we are doing what the Constitution of the World Igbo Congress requires us to do.
Go ahead, sir.
I have to have this faction that has been created outside the main WIC organization because their interest is not covered by what we are trying to do. And it was originated by the former chairman of the electoral committee. He is the one that caused all this problem. One, he added to the instruction given to us something that is against the constitution. And he was given enough time to remove that particular thing that is nowhere in the constitution so that we can conduct a fair election. But adamantly refused to do that. And then the legal advisor cited it everywhere in the constitution where this thing is nowhere to be found. And he insisted that he was not going to remove that so that he can continue being chairman of the electoral committee. So unfortunately, we found that he has other agenda other than what he was appointed to do. And that's what created this commission.
Mr. Chairman, ndị Igbo worldwide are very concerned about the status and the continuous existence of World Igbo Congress. How do you see the sustenance of this organization through what you are about to do?
Yes, it's my understanding that yesterday the governors who are special guests to this event and all the traditional chiefs, in particular the chairman of the Southeast Council of Traditional Rulers, His Royal Majesty, that is the Igbo, all of them have held meetings with other factions, appealing to them to come and join us so that we will be one and undivided, so that we can have one election. Up to now, we are still waiting for them.
Mr. Chairman,
they isolate themselves. That's their business. We must continue.
now let me ask you a concluding question. Not so much for the entire committee, but could you talk to Igbo? Let them know that what you are doing is not only constitutionally correct, but that it is morally right. Give them some assurance of what this committee is about to do. Talk to Igbo through here.
Yes, what we are about to do is to assure Igbo that we are going to conduct this election very transparent. Whoever wins this election, we are going to monitor the performance of their duties between now 2008 to 2011. If we see that you are lacking in the performance of their duties, we may revoke their certificate of election. We are employing people to have confidence and trust whoever that will be elected today. And we are seeking the cooperation of everybody so that we will continue to exist in the minds of our people in Nigeria and in diaspora.
Sir.
Yeah, in addition to what the chairman is saying, if they have any beef against the present organization, it will be better for them and the Igbo people for them to come inside and change whatever they think that is their problem. But you cannot change a thing by beginning a new one. If you really, and you are honest to yourself, that you want the interest of the whole Igbo people, you have to be with it and change whatever that is not correct in what they are doing, but not from the outside. Because selfishness is one of the things that will now destroy any organization. Yeah, sure, there are difficulties in any organization, but if you don't like what the organization is doing, it's for you to be with it and vote against it and change it, not from the outside. Creating a new one doesn't mean that it's going to be safe. But the same way you created a new one, somebody in that new one is not is disenchanted with what we are doing. He goes and creates a new one. And how, when we will start? So the best thing is to change with it, not from the outside.
Mr. Secretary, after this election, which it is assumed will be fully conducted today, are you going to be the one to announce the winner with the committee, or is it the role of the chairman to announce the ultimate winner? And one more question, exactly what seats are being contested?
The entire board position, the entire executive week is being contested as far as the executive of the House of Delegates. We have nominations for almost all the positions. However, let me add one thing that should really reassure the Igbos. I'm still at the last minute. I am a very, very big optimist that we can find a very good compromise that will bring everybody back. One, the board of WIC, I am putting the onus on the board of WIC that has the constitutional responsibility to make sure that the organization works perfectly. I'm also imploring members of the board to get down to their grassroots and pull these resources together, pull everybody together, and carry out their constitutionally mandated responsibility. I will never be a part of any activity, election, or any issue that violates the WIC Constitution. I stand by the WIC Constitution, and it is the Constitution that I have reviewed with the legal backing of the legal team to tell us that activities that we are about to embark are constitutional. That is where the Igbo should know that constitutions are very important, very powerful, and anybody that has the responsibility to uphold it should endeavor in all aspects do that. And I'm appealing to our brothers on the other side to come back, because this is the only organization the Igbos have, and it's the organization that will push the Igbos forward. United we stand, divided we hand ourselves to the mercies of those that are out in the.
Last question, sir. How many people are running for the office of the chairman?
There are three contested people in the list. The current chairman, Joe Eto, and then Dr. Ajuluchuku. All these people filed papers that will be reviewed and settled.
Are they here?
Well, it's during the election time, then we will know the candidates that are here. But so far, I assume people are out campaigning.
All right, sir. Gentlemen, I thank you very much. I wish you good luck. Do well for Igbo. Do well for us. Don't fail us. This is Igbo organization, and we need you very, very much. This is Chief Obidike Ajuluchuku of Nigerian TV Online. God bless you. Thank you very much, and good luck.